In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change cursor in Wix Studio. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Wix Studio and easily add a custom cursor to your page. You can do individual cursors per page of your website, or you can do one for all of them. All that you have to do to manage this is to open Wix Studio and go over to any of these templates or your own website. Keep in mind that to do this, you will need to be using Wix Studio. So this feature, to my knowledge, is not available in the standard Wix editor. You need to use Wix Studio. If you look at the right side of the screen, when editing your website, you will see this arrow. This is where you will be able to change the cursor. So click on this arrow that you can see on the right side of the screen and then scroll down. As you can see, you will be able to find cursor. So you have background, layout, and cursor. So expand the option here, and now you can add a new image. When you click add image, you will see some media from Wix that you can use. You can use the AI image creator, and you are also able to upload your own one. For this video, I'm just going to choose any of the media that they have available here. For example, this orange arrow. Now that it is added, you can customize the size, you can delete it, and then apply to more pages. So if you want to apply for all of them, just do it here. And now you are basically good to go. Now it doesn't update instantly, but you should be able to preview this. So as you can clearly see, I have an orange cursor. Keep in mind, this is only going to change the default cursor. So if I hover over a button and I have this different one, it is not the orange one, but as you can clearly see here, it is different. So all that you have to do is customize the cursor through this option right here. You can apply it to all pages or individual ones, and as soon as you publish the website, the cursor will be published as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to change cursor in Wix Studio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.